Tabulera is a software platform for employers who have outgrown manual benefits reconciliation and enrollment processes. It saves time, prevents premium leakage, and keeps benefits data accurate. Let's start with benefits reconciliation. Most employers still use spreadsheets to compare carrier invoices with enrollment and payroll data, a process that takes days to complete. Teams spend hours adjusting and manipulating the data just to make it work, which introduces additional risk. Different payroll frequencies make reconciliation even harder, and variance tracking often ends up scattered across sticky notes. If billing errors go unnoticed during the 60-day recovery window, companies lose money through premium leakage. And if employees aren't covered correctly, that creates compliance and liability risks. Tabulera's benefits reconciliation module automates the process. It matches carrier invoices against enrollment, payroll, and COBRA data. Variances are flagged and categorized right away, with the details needed to explain each discrepancy. With one click, reconciliation reports are generated, ready for leadership review and audit. The second area is EDI carrier connectivity. Setting up EDI feeds manually takes months of carrier coordination, file mapping, and IT work. Enrollments get delayed. Tabulera changes that. We've streamlined the creation of electronic enrollment files so feeds go live in less than 30 days. The member search feature lets users look inside EDI files and answer enrollment questions quickly. Both modules work with any enrollment, payroll, or COBRA system, or any combination of them. Less manual work, fewer errors, faster results. That's what Tabulera delivers.